Buddy, oh, you may not be able to.
You can't get out.
OMG.
He can't get out because you can't get out the door.
Oh, Jesus. They're going to bring the ladder truck over. Oh, my God.
Damn, I was going to get an apartment over there, too.
Not now.
They're cheaper now.
Yeah, pull that one.
Wow.
Pull this one up right here.
One right here?
Yeah, that one.
You can feel the heat.
There you go.
This guy is on the freaking ledge. Look at this. Oh, my God.
Where?
Do they see him?
Where is it?
Oh, my Jesus. Oh, my God.
Is that a construction guy?
Yeah. He was inside there. Do they freaking see him?
They're getting them. Unbelievable.
Oh, my God.
Hurry up.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, my God.
Keep going. Keep going.
Oh.
Look at the glass melting up there.
Unbelievable play.
They need to get him. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh, God.
Get closer to it.
Hell, he can jump from there. I mean, good grief.
I think I'd be jumping, man.
They need to move that truck up. Oh, my God.
I don't know why they're not evacuating this.
I think that we probably should be going.
It's not time to evacuate the guys.
Just jump for it, man.
Hell, yes. Oh, thank Jesus. Thank you, God. Oh, my God. Oh, no, my God. Oh.
Hey, what about this guy? What about this guy?
They got him.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, it's fine.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, did you feel heat?
I think it's time for us to go.
We need